Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing world of smartphones. These little devices have revolutionized the way we communicate, work, and play. So, let's dive right in and explore the top features of smartphones that make them so easy to use and versatile. First off, smartphones are incredibly user-friendly. With their touchscreen interfaces, they allow you to access a wide range of apps and services with just a few taps. Whether you're checking your email, scrolling through social media, or playing your favorite games, smartphones make it all so simple. Another great feature of smartphones is their multimedia capabilities. They come with built-in cameras that allow you to capture stunning photos and videos. And let's not forget about their music and video playback capabilities. Perfect for those long commutes or lazy days at home. Smartphones also have GPS navigation built in, making it easy to find your way around town or explore new places. And with their various communication methods, including voice calls, text messaging, and internet-based messaging apps, staying connected with friends and family has never been easier. Smartphones are also great for staying up to date with the latest news, weather, and sports updates. They provide access to a wealth of information right at your fingertips. And let's not forget about their versatility. Smartphones can be used as a personal assistant, a fitness tracker, a health monitor, and so much more. They truly are a one-stop shop for all your needs. Now, let's talk about smartphone security. With features like fingerprint scanners, facial recognition, and password protection, smartphones keep your personal information safe and secure. Lastly, smartphones are constantly evolving and improving. With regular software updates, new features, and innovative designs, there's always something new and exciting to discover. In conclusion, smartphones are truly amazing devices that have transformed the way we live our lives. They are easy to use, versatile, and packed with features that make them an essential part of our daily routine. So, if you haven't already, it's time to jump on the smartphone bandwagon and experience all the benefits they have to offer. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time, stay connected and keep exploring.